So welcome to the new WhatsApp monetization. So now the question is, are we going to see us or content creators are now going to receive money monthly as Facebook and YouTube have been paying content creators for their content or their videos and stuff? If this is true, that means we are now coming to see people shaking their bum bums and stuff on their WhatsApp stick. So here come the WhatsApp monetization features, and it's going to work on our WhatsApp channel. Like this video, share to others. So the first thing is, WhatsApp just introduced a monetization system, and you're going to stretch it on WhatsApp for every individual who is on WhatsApp to enjoy it. And they brought in 3 monetization features. So these monetization features is what we are going to work it out. If you come here, we have the first monetization here. As the first 2 here, pay channel subscription. What does this monetization or the pay channel subscription means? It means if you are a content creator and you have a channel, you know, WhatsApp have introduced a channel where you create it just like a Telegram channel, and you've been posting content, and this channel can contain a lot of stars. Example, like a page, if you have a page and a group and stuff. So we have a group and we have a channel. So if you have a channel, that means you can post a lot and you can host a lot of people on the channel. So the channel is different from a group. So the channel is like you send a broadcast message and stuff like Facebook page. Okay, so the channel stands for example like Facebook page where you be posting content and people can comment and stuff. Okay, this monetizing too, that's the first one, which means channel owner, you can now create a content, and this content you put it in premium mode so that any individual who want to access it, they need to pay for that kind of content. So paying for this content, or they can subscribe for it and be making payment or subscription for every month to get to access this content that you have on your channel. So that's the first one. Then number 2 is promote channel. So this is good for businesses and content creators to pay, and their channel will be shown on WhatsApp, or promote their channel on the WhatsApp for other people to see it. People can see the product that you are selling, and they will just click on and they just start WhatsApping you and giving you message and stuff. And this tools that they are bringing out, it will not go outside a channel like a Facebook where you create and you let them click into your link and stuff. This one, every conversation will be done on WhatsApp. They will not move from WhatsApp to any other platform. Everything will be done on WhatsApp, right? And then this one too, or one problem I have is that even we don't have a lot of this stars where people can start frauding and other stars. Okay, it can lead people to a lot of fraud and stuff because scammers are full on WhatsApp. So they can scam a lot of people on this platform, but it is good for creators and business owners to sell their product. If you create a campaign on this one, they will show it on other people's status and stuff so that they can see it. In case they want to buy your product, they will just click on it, you talk to them, then they buy the product. Number 3 is ads in status. What it means is that business can now run ads on the WhatsApp status. Okay, so when they run ads and you are on a WhatsApp status, this business can pop up for you to see the ads on that WhatsApp status, right? So they run the ads, and if you are on your WhatsApp status and stuff, you can see the ads. In case you want to purchase a product from them, you will purchase it. One advice that I want to give on this, you want to buy a product or access a product and you find something like that, make sure when you are talking to the person, you do your personal investigation, assess the person, assess the conversation, and know that this person will not or is not willing to scam me. If you're someone who have been on the internet for long, you may know that scammers always have a words that they give us. Some of their images and stuff will make you or will let you know that these people or this person want to scam me. 3 monetization features on WhatsApp. So it's different from the one that we see on Facebook, YouTube and stuff, where people create content and you will see a pop-up content or a pop-up ads where every month they will be receiving money, income and stars on their content. So this one is different. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you are new, share this video to others. See you in the next